Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making hot dog buns.
You'll need 3½ cups of flour, ½ cup warm milk, ½ cup warm water, 2½ tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon salt. Start with the flour. Make a well in the center of the bowl with a wooden spoon. Then add the sugar and dry yeast. Pour in the warm milk. Mix it all for about 5 minutes until the yeast activates. Next, add the teaspoon of salt. Next, add warm water. Then add melted butter. Separate 1 egg yolk, reserving the egg white for later. Add 1 whole egg and knead the dough until it no longer sticks to your hands. It should be smooth and soft. It should look smooth and soft just like this. Grease a bowl with oil. Place the dough inside, brush the top with oil, cover it with plastic wrap and a cloth, and let it rise. Once the dough has doubled in size, dust your work surface with flour, remove the dough, knead it lightly, and divide it into 8 equal parts. Shape each part into a ball. Cover with a cloth and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now start rolling out the dough to about 6 inches in width. Carefully shape the edges and roll the dough as tightly as possible. Pinch the edges together to seal and roll it slightly to smooth the surface. Place each roll seam side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. When all the rolls are formed, cover them with a cloth and let them rest for another 10 minutes. Brush the rolls gently with the reserved egg white. Preheat your oven to 375 and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. The rolls are done, soft and delightful on all sides. Slice them open lengthwise. Add a hot dog or sausage, a touch of mustard, and if you like, some ketchup. Or try finely chopped sauerkraut. Enjoy. This is the authentic American way of serving hot dogs.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.